everyone, welcome to Isabella's Family Channel. Today I'll be doing some modifications to my motorcycle. If you guys remember, my wife gave me this awesome 2019 Kawasaki ZX6R. And today I'll be doing a few changes to it. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this model 2019, and you'll see all the things that you can do to it. But right now it's stock, and I will show you guys the changes that I'll be doing. But you can see right here, I got the parts, and that don't seem like much, but that's gonna be enough to change everything that I want to change. So see you guys in a minute, and if you have any comments, please subscribe and just write them down below. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye. So here we go, guys. There's the sliders for the motor and for the frame. That's the new peg, the new exhaust system. That's the new fender. That's the new tail light and the LED turn signal. So we got double turn signals. The tail light has built-in turn signals, which I'll show you guys something more. Come around. There's the gun. Brand new pegs for the driver. Engine and frame sliders. So let's turn on the lights so you guys can see the new tail light and tell me what you think. There's the tail light flashing, and see what you think, guys. Wow, that's awesome. Now you tell me if people won't be able to see that, huh? It's nice. Those came from TST Industries, and a big shout out to them for selling that great equipment. Again, that's the two brothers. The slip-on S1R Black Series exhaust system. And of course there's other parts that you can't see, which they're on the seat, but that included a new flasher, new white wires, to make all the stuff work. But I think it's a very, very clean job from what you can see. So now we're going to start and here see what it sounds like in the exhaust system. You guys ready? That's your S1R Black Series exhaust system from Two Brothers. Now you tell me and comment right below what do you think.